Hi baddies, my name's Marissa and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick trick on how to get your hair instantly longer, like within 5 minutes. So if you're interested, then keep on watching, this is the video for you. So first things first, you're going to need 2 hair ties. One can be any color that you want, and then the other one, try to get it to match your hair color as close as possible.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do is basically put your hair into 2 even halves, a top half and a bottom half, and you want to try to get them as equal as possible. So once you have your 2 halves separated, you're going to want to work with the top half because you're going to turn that into a ponytail. And what I'm doing here is brushing out the lumps and the bumps in mine and pulling out my bangs. Now depending on your hair type, the style, and the look that you're going for, you might skip this step altogether. Basically the goal here is just getting a nice looking ponytail that you're satisfied with. So now that everything looks good to me, I'm going to go ahead and take my colorful hair tie to wrap it around the top half of my hair to create a ponytail. So your hair should basically be looking like it's a 50-50 hairstyle, like half up, half down. This is what mine looks like right now. So the next step that you're going to want to do is create a second ponytail right underneath your first ponytail. So what you see me doing here right now is basically flipping my top ponytail over my face so I can have better access to my bottom ponytail that I'm about to create. And what you're going to do when you're in that position is take about 1/4 of that ponytail, the top ponytail that you just created, and bring it into your second ponytail. So once you've done that, go ahead and take the hair tie that matches your hair color best and create your second ponytail right underneath the top ponytail that you just created. Make them as close together as possible as you can. So basically, you can just flip your hair back into the position now to where it's no longer in your face and you're pretty much done. So what you see me doing here is just making sure everything is back into place and just brushing down my edges and just like making sure my bangs look good and yada yada yada. So before I show you guys the final result of what it looks like, here is what I look like with a regular ponytail. So no double ponytail, just a single ponytail. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like with a double ponytail. So this is the before and after. You can tell that the double ponytail definitely added some length to my hair.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below, did this help you out? Did you like this? Is it something that you're gonna try? Have you already tried it? I wanna hear about it. I wanna hear about it all. So go ahead and leave your comment down below and I'll be sure to reply. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye.